Hey everybody, Joe Brady coming to you from my studio office. I'm preparing for next week's Florida Birding and Photo Festival. I've got a lot of classes I'm going to be teaching, but I wanted to cue you in on 3 particular classes that still have space that you can join me. The first one is called 10 Things You Need to Know in Photoshop. Now, I've been teaching Photoshop for a long time, 30 years now at this point, hard to believe. And there's still a lot of things that it does that I have no idea about, and it's going to continue that way. But here's the thing, you don't need to know everything Photoshop does. I took a closer look at it to see, well, after I'm done in Lightroom or Adobe Raw, what do I still need to be able to do? Well, I've come up with 10 things that every photographer should know, and that's what this class is all about. It will be done in a step-by-step manner. Everybody can follow, and you'll get a lot out of it. Class number 2, available light portraits. Now, what does that mean? You might just think it's taking pictures of people with no lights. No, it's available light. So if you're in a room and there's a light, that's available light. If you happen to have a little flashlight or a little LED light with you, that's a light. We're going to use reflectors to redirect the light. It's how you can get great portraits anywhere with just the light that's available to you. The third class is my printing workshop. And in the printing workshop, I will teach you how to go from capture to edit to output to get prints that look like the thing you see on your monitor. No more lousy prints, no more yellow prints, no more dark prints, just consistent results from both your inkjet printer and from your favorite lab. Again, step by step so that everybody can follow. It will allow you to get consistent results from your printer or from when you send it out. There's a lot of great classes going on at the festival. Take a look at the website, but I hope you see you in one of my classes while I'm there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in Florida.